Stop ignoring the statistics. Construction worker deaths are climbing. It's time to take action. Construction is consistently one of the most dangerous jobs in the U.S. Recent data shows construction worker deaths reached a staggering 1,092 in 2022, the highest since 2011. That's a 7.6% increase from 2021, spotlighting the urgent need for improved safety measures. Several alarming trends emerge. Hispanic workers accounted for 37.4% of these fatalities, while those aged 55 or older were 31.1%. Males represented a shocking 99% of deaths. The leading causes? Falls, trips, and slips, which made up 36.4% of all construction deaths. Transportation incidents followed at 14%. To tackle this crisis, we need proactive measures. Effective safety training programs are crucial. They teach hazard identification, safe procedures, and emergency protocols. Management must commit to routine inspections and incident tracking. Engineering controls are key too. Guardrails can prevent falls, and cutting-edge sensors on cranes can minimize blind spots. Ventilation systems reduce harmful substance exposure, but safety is also about behavior. Educating workers on proper lifting techniques, hydration, and PPE usage can make a huge difference. Regular training and proactive monitoring keep everyone engaged and aware. Remember, each statistic is a life lost. These are sons, daughters, parents, and friends. Prioritizing safety over deadlines and budgets is not just good practice, it's a moral imperative. Let's make construction safer for everyone. Together, we can turn these numbers around.